Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Joe Mesa, board certified Colombian Plastic Surgeon of New York and New Jersey. Today I'm going to show you in this video our new technology. It's called the Morpheus8. It's the newest device from the company called that is designed to rejuvenate and reshape the face and the body. This is a device that tightens the skin and also remodels the adipose tissue or excess of fat in certain areas. This device, as you can see here, is built in Fractora. Fractora is the technology that uses radiofrequency delivered through pins to tighten the skin. But also, this device, when set up in a deeper mode, it goes into the fat and produces melting of the fat, so it reshapes the face and the face of the body. For example, in this case, we're going to use it in this patient. She's a very beautiful lady that has a little bit of excess of adipose tissue here in the smile lines or the nasolabial folds, also around the corners of the mouth, and a little bit here in the lower part of the face. That happens when patients or everybody goes above the age of 30. So also she has a little bit of skin laxity. So we're going to do a tightening of the skin, and we're going to decrease the amount of fat in these areas next to the smile lines, in the corner of the mouth, and in the lower part to give her a more V-shaped appearance. So let me show you how the device works. Okay, this is the Morpheus8 interface. This is the handheld device, and we have different settings. We have the depth. This has 3 settings. We have the periorbital, we have the face, and we have the body. The first two ones, the periorbital and the face, is the skin tightening or the Fractora built-in ability. When we switch it to the body part is when the pins go deeper into the fat and produces the fat melting capabilities. So we have the energy. We're going to set it up in 45. And there are 2 different modes. There is the fix and the cycle. This decides if the needles are going to go in and out, and the speed of the treatment. So I'm going to show you here right now how is the cycle for the body. That is the one that melts the fat away. So let's see if we can check here the needles, and then I'm going to press. I'm going to put it ready, and you see the needles come in and out. This is what the Fractora is. But then when we put it in a different setting like the face, and we put ready the device, the needles come out a little bit less, and that's what it does, the skin tightening. So in this patient, we're going to start first with the reshaping of the fat, that is the deep compartment, and then we're going to go superficial with the Fractora mode. So we're going to go to body, 45, and I'm going to do the cycle. So now we have the patient here. She has been anesthetized with local anesthesia. The skin has been cleaned. We have the Morpheus into the body mode. Put it ready, and as you can see here, the needles are going to start going in and out very deep into the fat to reshape that area. So we're going to go here, press, and you see? Do you have any discomfort?
No.
Not at all. Excellent. And that's the advantage. We can do it in the office on the local anesthesia. So in this area is where I want the reshaping of the fat. So we're gonna go down. Let's see if we get a close-up with the camera and look at the needle, the pins here, how they go deep into the skin. And when they go deep, they go underneath the skin and melts the fat away. Excellent. Do you have any pain?
No.
No pain at all. So this is the Morpheus8 in the fat remodeling mode. That is 4 millimeters deep, goes into the fat and produces tightening of the skin and the fat. Sorry, melting of the fat. So this is the first pass. I'm going to do a second pass. Okay. Every time the energy is released, you can see here there is a light, and also there is a noise in the device that tells me that the energy has been delivered. continue. So now that we have finished the body portion, that is the fat remodeling, we're going to switch to the machine to the face mode that is going to produce just skin tightening of all this area. So now that we are done with the fat remodeling mode of the Morpheus8 that was in the body setting, now we're going to move to the face and going to decrease a little bit the energy, and we're going to continue with the cycle. And I'm going to show you here when we do this clear. This is where the needles are going to go in and out, just 3 millimeters. They go just on the skin. Okay, so now that we have the Morpheus8 in the skin tightening device that is basically built-in Infractora, we're going to treat all the area of the face. I'm going to start here. Let's see. Do you have any pain?
No.
See, it goes deep. It doesn't cause significant bleeding, no significant discomfort, and it's tightening the skin. So we're going to cover all the area of the face. You see, it leaves like some teeny tiny marks, but they disappear in 1 or 2 days. So that's why I love this device, because the downtime is minimal. That's why today is a Friday, and that's why I love to do these procedures on a Friday, because the patients take time off from work, on study, or the weekend, and they go back to their normal activities Monday or Tuesday. Okay, so you see, we're treating all this area. Continue here. Excellent, so we're doing the mid face. So we continue doing the skin tightening. Any discomfort?
No.
Okay. Then we're going to continue here in the jawline. Okay, so we are all done. Now, once the numbing medication disappears, she's gonna have less swelling, and then she's gonna have some little teeny tiny dots in the skin. As I mentioned before, they're gonna last for 1 or 2 days, and then 2 days she can put makeup and then go back to work. If they are guys, usually the dots disappear by that time, so you can go back to work. Okay, so I hope you like this video. This is the explanation of how the Morpheus8 is used to reshape the face and the body. In this case, the face, when it's used in the body mode, that is 4 millimeters deep, and that the needles go to 4 millimeters deep, it produces reshaping of the excess of adipose tissue in the face, in this case, and then there's a little fall of smile lines and the lower face. And when it's used in the face mode, it produces a Fractora mode, so it produces a skin tightening. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please let me know, and you can also contact me through my social medias, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and Snapchat. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.